Alright guys, I'm going to open an Ice Age tournament pack. It is 60 cards. Not a very popular set, but still fun to open. It's old. I didn't play back in the day when this was out. So, to me, it's pretty fun to open this kind of stuff. So, whatever. And you can get these, it's April 2016. You can get these pretty cheap still. I mean, not cheap, I guess, but, you know, 20 bucks compared to God knows what an Alpha costs these days. Starter. So, anyway, this is Ice Age, and it is sealed, which is good. And this one, I'm not sure where we need to be on this one, but I do know there's a card on the other side I don't want to look at, so we are just going to cut here, which may or may not be smart. It did work. And come at it from this way, and I know there's a card on the bottom, which is not like the other one, so that may be the rares, I don't know, but on this particular video, I'm just going to go straight down from the top, and I think that the lands in the Ice Age are on the top, up here, so, sorry, get this stuff in my hands, won't come off. It's really annoying. So, anyway, without further ado, let's go with it. Okay, so we are definitely... Let me see if I can find some lands. Okay, so there's some lands. Is this a land? No, it's not a land. Okay, so, I don't know. Let's just go with it, right? You only live once. Balduvian Bears. Arson's Aurora. Mistfolk. Gaze of Pain. Grizzled Wolverine. Shield Bearer. Makes more sense. Woolly Mammoths. Erranty. Song of the Damned. Krovicon Fetish. Snowfall. Looks like the same pack I got last time. Guard. It's kind of strange. Bone Shaman. Did not get this last time, but some of these I did. Circle, Protection Green. Those aren't worth anything. Whatever Dead. Regenerate. Innervate. Got 3 of those, I think. Brown. Whatever. Tor Giant. Cool art. Soul Kiss. I'm not sure if that's uncommon or not, but anyway. Woolly Spider. Barbed Sextant. I just don't like sacrificing for mana, but whatever. Infuse. Cool art. Flare. Flare does 1 damage. Kalisco Ranger. That's really cool art. Looks kind of cartoonish. World of Warcraft or something. Anyway, what is this one? Heal. Seems uneventful. Errant Minion. Here's the land. Snow-covered mountain. I'll take it. Again, these are worth something, the snow-covered ones. And they look really cool. Snow-covered island. Cool mountain. Snow-covered swamp. Snow-covered island. Mountain. Swamp. Snow-covered plains. Island. Snow-covered mountain. Mountain that looks cool. Mountain looks really cool. Swamp that looks decent. Swamp. Actually, that swamp looks pretty cool. Swamp. Great looking plains. Plains. Snow-covered plains. Amazing looking forest. I like that. Forest. And Call to Arms. Now, this may be an uncommon. I'm not too terribly sure, but it's definitely after the islands, and it's not one that I'm too excited about, so I'm indifferent. Infernal Denizen, I'm kind of whatever on that. Flooded Woodlands, I don't know. I don't think it's worth anything, but definitely looks kind of cool. I don't know. Interesting. Here's the book. Duelist. We've seen it. Keep going. Icy Manipulator. That's a good card. That's a really good card. I'm not sure if it's worth anything, but I definitely wanted it. Really happy to get it. Really happy to get it. Ashen Ghoul. I don't think that's worth anything. I'm not sure. Phantasmal Mount. Looks cool, but pretty uneventful. Thunderwall. Nature's Lore. That's always a classic. That's a kind of not the best art, but anyway, I'm happy to have it. It's a good card. Anarchy. Destroy all white permanents. I could probably find a home for this. The art's pretty decent. I don't know, I like that. It sounds like it may be uncommon. Walking Wall. I don't think that's worth anything. Shield of Ages. Maybe, I don't know, not a big fan. And Jothal Worm. Alright, well, that is Ice Age. And I have some more stuff coming your way. I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty good cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snow-colored lands. I got this Icy Manipulator that I kind of wanted pretty bad. So, anyway, I mean, it was fun. So, that's all that matters, right? I mean, every once in a while you splurge and get something that makes you smile. But anyway, we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.